have your own Oktoberfest. Your party planning list is next. All right, another big event this month. It's Oktoberfest. There is plenty of celebration all over, but you can also throw your own Oktoberfest at home. Sally Arnold from Celebrations by Sally is here with more. I love this idea of having your own Oktoberfest, and you say it's super simple.
Super simple. You know, there's over 6 million people who attend Oktoberfest in Germany. So I would say invite some close family and friends
Maybe
over.
6 people over?
Yes. So much better. But we started with a beer garden.
What a great idea. Your very own beer garden. And you got a varieties and found something super unusual.
Yeah, how cute is that little mini keg that we found? And so apparently, so I'm told by my German friends that Pilsner is a very popular beer for Oktoberfest, as is Hefeweizens.
I would choose this one.
I know you're going
the
for
one
that
with the lemon.
So that one is called, I will probably not give it justice, but it's a Radler.
Oh.
And those are special in Germany. This one's actually canned. Usually it's beer and Sprite. And I have to tell you something odd.
Beer and Sprite?
So there's a thing in Germany called a cola beer, and people will order a beer with Coca-Cola, and the purpose behind it apparently is so that you can consume more because you're having less alcohol.
It's kind of like a Red Bull and stuff. Okay, yeah, I say pass on that.
Okay.
What's the apple juice?
So, you know, if you have kids coming, you know, you need to have something fun, and it's kind of the same color as beer. So we've got some apple cider, we've got some root beer here, and it just gives the kids
It's always good to have a non-alcoholic option for anybody on your list. And also pretzels, that's huge.
Yes, so we have some really traditional pretzels, of course, as well as we have these white sausages on sauerkraut, and I know you can already smell it, but that is a traditional sausage from Germany, and I just loved this cherry strudel.
Oh my gosh, it looks so good.
So
I like that, but my favorite thing that you brought today are these. Now, these are cookies, but they're necklaces, and you say that this is a common thing.
It is. So I'm told that the men are to buy them for their wives or their sweethearts, or they're going to be in big trouble.
Look at, we have our own. They have, you can put names on them, and oh my gosh, look how cute this is.
Yes,
I love it.
And so they really aren't eaten, but women will wear a collection of them, and some of them say sweetheart, some of them say I love you, and we have some that just say Oktoberfest.
Oh my gosh, these are fabulous. Did you make them?
I did not. My girlfriend Alexa from Alexa Bakes made them, and I believe they're called, if I'm not going to butcher it, Liebkuchen.
Liebkuchen, all right, get those. And of course you have your hats, whether you make one or you buy one.
Exactly. So if you have kids, it's always nice to have something to keep them occupied. So we made these cute little hats that the kids could easily make, and it just gives them something fun to wear.
Of course, you're also known for your weddings, which it's amazing the planning that you do. We have some photos here. Tell me about these.
Yeah, so this was one of our summer destination weddings over in California, and you can just see how much detail goes into these weddings. And really, as a planner, that's one of the things that we are able to provide our clients, because usually they're very busy people, and we want to really personalize an event for them. And so you will see that we take a theme all the way through so that it's really memorable, not only for the couple, but for their guest experience as well. That's real important.
Yeah, and I love looking at these pictures. I love them riding away in the golf cart. So cute, too. And you have a special, too, for Arizona Midday viewers.
I definitely do. So if people are looking to throw their own party at home and want some tips, they can go to our website, celebrationsbysally.com, and we have created an ebook specifically on how to throw your own Oktoberfest party.
I love it. It's celebrationsbysally.com. And one thing I really love, too, is you have tips on either you can throw a last-minute party, or if you want maybe to spend time planning it. And, I mean, it can be anything from a birthday party to an Oktoberfest party.
Absolutely. We're working on an anniversary party now. There's a million
endless ways to party.
To celebrate.
All right. And you can find out more, everyone, by going online. Just go to celebrationsbysally.com or call the number on your screen.